Everybody, here's Grand Central. Wow. All right. Hello everybody. Hello YouTube. Today I got Brio World London Underground train that I got it at the Transit Museum yesterday. I'd be asleep. Here it is. Let's unbox the London Underground. Although it's getting late, we're gonna go get Elinor and Fluttershy at the end of this video since it's 3 a.m. But here's the set. This set does not include tracks. Just the trains and the tube. I think we could use with the Chuggington Wooden Railway. Here's the flyer of Brio World. This robot is asleep. Ivy, wake up. We're unboxing trains again. Here's the first passenger train. Here's another one. Yeah, this robot is sleeping. I better go back to his bed. This is the passenger, this is the driver train. The battery, London. This is the underground. This is like the Circle Line, Victoria Line, Bakerloo Line, Somerset City Line, Jubilee Line. Here we have, let me see, what's this? Oh, on sign. Here we have an underground logo sign. And two figures. A conductor and a passenger. Alright. The only thing that includes with the track, which is the tube. Alright, so everybody, I'm sorry. Just wearing my MTA vest. Here's the train. This is what it looks like. As you can see here, they only have 3 cars included. Alright. Here's some 3 cars of the train. It has sounds, which is this one. Alright, now time to put it in the wooden track of Chuggington. We'll do something so we can replace it. Oh, the robot just awake. Wake up. Wake up. I will put you in bed soon. First, we're doing a review. Gotta hurry because my phone's about to die soon. Everybody, yesterday we did Brewster.
I'm big and strong.
That was yesterday. I'm going to put this robot on this coach, which is safer. And Brewster will put it right here. Alright, let's take off this track. I hope it fits. And let's put the tube right here. Oh, sorry everybody, my mom said I don't want to be noisy. I gotta be careful because I just don't want to be stupid or anything. But here's the tube. Unfortunately, it's not enough space to reach. So we have to do like, just like pretend. So we're gonna pretend it's like a dead end. Like this. But don't worry, I'll go back to the original track that we did. Here's the tube. Let me put Coco. Alright, here's the London Underground. I haven't been to London in years, sadly. I couldn't go to London. Oh, this robot's awake. Sorry, the train will not hurt you, buddy. Here it is. Go up the bridge. Uh-oh, train's derailed. Sorry, it's just my Nia train. Put it right here. Wilson will put next to Brewster. I have to buy the Chuggy to Winter Railway Brewster. Oh, here's Hoot and Toot. We'll put it right here from now on. Before we end the video, let's do some train sounds. Here we go. Train's coming with my... Here it comes. Jesus Christ. Try again. Here comes the subway London Underground train. Next stop, Westminster Station. Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Here we go. Oh. Also, for your train conductor, you could put like this. Oh yay, train's here. I better be late for work on the underground subway. Train is departing in 1 minute. Stand clear of closing doors, please. All aboard. Ivy. Train's coming.
All aboard the train. Where's the carriage go?
I'm Pinkie Pie. Ooh, a tunnel. Alright, next stop, Big Bend Station. Change here for double-decker buses. Thank you for riding with the London Underground subway service. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Our destination, last stop. Alright, might have 10%. Alright, everybody, last stop. We have a next passenger to come, Miss Pinkie Pie. Oh, yay, made it to work. I'm Pinkie Pie. I'm sorry, Pinkie Pie. No pets allowed. And you're a pony. Our pony should like me. Alright then. Hey, Ivy. Say, all aboard. He is the robot train conductor.
All aboard. Get ready for adventure.
Alright, everybody. I hope you like my Brio London Underground that I got it at the New York Trans Museum, right? Also, I have some good news. We had a new spot today. So now my robots could have a depot. I am still planning to get Axle TV Prime so I could order the PC right here, but unfortunately Axle TV Prime will launch in 2026. I better go make the announcement tomorrow in the morning. But before we end, let me get Fluttershy and Elinor. Also, I'm going to take off my MTA vest right now since we're done making trains for this video. Anyways, do you like my subway video of London? Yeah, it's kind of nice. Yeah, we better, Emo, not you, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Alright, hope you like this video, so that's it. Bye. Do you like my trains? Yeah, I saw it. Emo, go to sleep. Right? Yeah. I better go to bed now. Yeah. It's almost 4 a.m. Alright. Hope you like it. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Hope you like my Brio trains today. So, good. Have a good night.